I think I found a wrench. Could be the right size, but I don't know. Could help me reset my fire alarm. And it fits. I can finally reset it. And there we go. Key equals skit is happening. So I'm going to be making a skit with those Beanie Boos over there. Apologize for my rusty bed. I do make the bed after myself, but normally not this time. Anyways, I'm going to put some cables here and I'll put my fire alarm key there. I packed lots of things because I'm going to be making a skit with that. So anyways, I haven't done that in a long time. And yeah, there's absolutely nothing in this compartment at this time. So I'm going to get some stuff. And yeah. My sister took some Beanie Boos and the flashlight turned off because the device just gets hot easily. It's normal because this thing processes a high amount of graphics and it's at 5% now. I'm going to look underneath the bed, look on the sides of the bed for any Beanie Boos that are remaining. And I don't see any because my sister stole most of it. He stole most of it. Anyways. This doesn't have anything, I don't think. I was going to put my capture card in there, but it would not fit. It's very tiny. It's like the size of that zipper. Anyways, I'm going to put the torn money in, and then I'm going to pack some deodorant. I'm going to get the toothbrushes, but that'll be tomorrow. That'll be the day of our trip. Like I said, I reserved all the outfits. So now I got outfit reservations. I reserved the outfits. I gotta put more money in here if I want to buy anything. This is my money for the Washington, D.C. trip, and I made a lot pretty much. But not enough. I'm trying to reach a goal. Because I have like $20+. I'm going to go ahead and calculate it next time. But yeah, the 500 subscriber special will be postponed until we go to Tennessee. Which is tomorrow. This is the 500 subscriber special video you've been waiting for, guys. It is coming out tomorrow. And I'm probably going to get enough sleep. I hope I do. So, this is the rain poncho. It might be raining in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, so I'm not going to use the rain poncho. I'm just going to use my rain jacket because I'm going to bring it just in case it rains. Anyways, baggy packed. Stuff needed packed, but clothes not done yet. I gotta pick up some stuff over here that I got dressed unnecessarily. And yeah. Deodorant not packed. I'll be looking through here to get deodorant. I'm looking for the other one. And my grandma's gonna be here tonight, so she's going to be here for us to load the car because we're loading the car like a loading dock the night before. And there is absolutely no sky, as you can see. So, see? The blur kind of made up for it. So take a picture of the very nice sky. Anyways, deodorant. Gonna put it in there. Underwear is gonna go in there too. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the camera, plug it in. I'm gonna plug the phone in. Those stage lights are going last. Okay, the light came back on because the device cooled down enough. There we go. Now, I'm going to plug this thing in. All right, it's packing time. Your Dan went off for a partner, but I got a pack, so I put the order in there. What happened? All right. Compression underwear. Those are mine. Now we put underwear in this compartment. I'm gonna find more underwear. Swimwear. I'm wearing this hook fishing shirt to Dollywood at the Splash County. This is my second sweatshirt outfit with khaki shorts. Black. Because this one has like pockets because I'm gonna be having loose items. No, these are the packs on pants. Sorry, that was a mistake. I might take those. Okay, hold on. I gotta take care of business. So I did not bring them.
Where is my super suit? Where is my super suit? Super suit.
Anyways, sorry about that. Now this is
Why you have a basket?
outfit over here. Because I just reserved some outfits to wear.
Bullfrog,
This
Mr. Handman.
is the long sleeve outfit with 5-inch shorts. This goes with the Dollywood outfit too. This PacSun goes with this because I'm gonna be at the cabin and I'll get this after that one. And then Michigan State Bird will be underneath that Dollywood. Anyways, I have a short sleeve to wear at the cabin, and then I have more underwear, which means I have to go ahead and grab another one. This hamper should be empty. So it's empty.
Computer, turn off Baxter Bedroom.
I'm going downstairs. Wait a minute.
Pack it, like what you should be doing. Don't be down here bumping your gums. It's packed now. Get off the phone and go pack.
I'm doing this because we have to get to bed early. So, yeah. I just realized we're gonna need pajamas too. This thing is almost full. Here's some underwear too. So I have 3. I have 3. Also have the top for it. Pajama shorts or sleep shorts. Dude, it's a bring it. I don't know how many pajamas I'm gonna need, but brought this too. I don't want to fill this thing up, but yeah, it was unintentionally. I'm definitely bringing that. And I'm bringing those long sleeves. So some of these long sleeves could go in this compartment. They shouldn't, but I don't have a choice. I can't fill up this suitcase now. My sister needs space.
Where's your sister?
She's still downstairs. She hasn't even packed yet.
Suarez! Let's go! Yeah.
She hasn't started packing yet. And whoops. Yeah, the camera just had to drop there for a second. I went over. Oh, oops. I was about to say that. Alright, so the reason why I had to end the recording there is because for privacy reasons. I don't want to get my mom on video, so it just had to end there. So very sorry about that. See you later. I'm gonna find a place to put this boom arm in because using my phone capture card, I have like audio equipment in there. So, and there's a balcony, and we can have a nice view. And I hook the microphone up to the balcony. I'm gonna unplug the computer cord. I'm going to take this boom arm out of here. I'm going to take the backpack out of here. Then this is gonna have to be done slowly. I'm gonna lay it there like I'm going to be going to school. And then I will have my boom arm. Unfortunately, my grandma is not coming because she said the night before we're gonna be loading the car, but I guess not. But anyways, I have to go bring the toothbrushes. This has not been used, but it's been in the sink. So I'm gonna go ahead and slightly rinse it off. Hold on. I gotta put the cap on this one. We're also gonna be bringing the toothpaste, of course. And also bringing my mom's. So, those are the 3 known toothbrushes we got. Key card. I'm hot. Spotlight. Alright. Sorry about singing. Which bag should we put the toothbrushes in?
Where are you? Right there.
Yeah, in this one?
Yeah, don't take the toothpaste in there.
Oh, we already have some.
Well, put it there because we might have 2 bathrooms. That's fine. How many toothbrushes do you have there?
3.
We should have, okay.
We should be actually having 4.
3. Okay, well, that's fine. Your daddy don't have one downstairs, so you can practice for the moment.
Okay.
That's fine.
Oh yeah, I accidentally left this draping up the stairs. Now, I'm going to find a place to put that at. And I'm definitely putting it in my backpack. I got a lot of production to do. So yeah, I started up the air conditioner. And that is going to be mandatory, according to my dad. I cannot not have the pack when I'm going out. I have to have that on me at all times, incognito or non-incognito. Incognito means it cannot be visible. It's just tucked underneath the shirt. got lots of stuff that I have to smush in this backpack. My pouch, waterproof phone pouch. And I'm going to be making you an exclusive 500 subscribers video, so you guys have been waiting for it, but it is not being released right now. It'll be released when we actually go there. We are going to the Dollywood, and I'm not going to tell you anything else about it. Okay, and those are the snacks she brought. And my sister's already having a field day with the popcorn. So, yeah. Okay, good. And please, for the sake of Allah, don't throw up in the car. Just don't throw up in the car at all. If it happens, then get a bag. Don't throw up all over the whole car. You ralphed all over the car on the way to Chicago last time, and yeah, we had corn. How a lot to clean. Hell it. And there is absolutely, when I think one of the rules say, no peeing in their pool. You cannot pee in their pool. This is private owned property. That was very funny. Anyways, this thing is like popping out because I had to squish lots of pajamas in there because I did not have enough suitcase space. Oh yeah, I'm going to plug this in and I'm going to put together the videos. And yeah, someone's phone is here, so that means they are coming back. So I thought my uncle was going back to his apartment building, but his phone is here, so obviously it might not happen. These are women's alpaca socks. These are the alpaca socks. We have the alpaca socks. Outdoor alpaca socks. Sorry about the blurry camera. Extra clip. Oh, who's back? Okay, I thought that was my dad. Anyways, we have some stage lights to bring. So this is gonna give me a good amount of space. Hold on. Gonna give me a good amount of space. Sorry about that. I was being called for a reason, but I did not respond yet. So when I'm done here, I will. Anyways, these are coming with me because I'll be using this for my video I'm making off of the capture card. We are bringing an awful lot of stuff.
Suarez, where are you?
She's downstairs.
Okay. Where's your dad?
He went out to get medicine, but it's taking him longer than usual. Very sorry about that. That would not have happened if only if I was taking the proper clearances. None of that would have happened. But no, I did not take the proper clearances, unfortunately. I had no proper clearances whatsoever. None. But I'm fine though. There we go.